keep it at the basic level, you know, without because I know what type to get. And I say, okay, I need these colors, they might have a different fabric. And I'm like, what is this? What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, so I'm just going to put it in here now. And if I pull, it's going to shrink it really fast. And okay, so what you do is, yes, pin that and look at this, but then there's like a big mess here. The angular plates. Need a lot of pins. Okay, so any questions? It's going to go very difficult, and you have to flat neat and clean. I can use a fabric and a stretchy for this, right? With the gray, yeah, right? And I'm using this jhumkas from. Looks so pretty, right? I'm going to do is it will work the best for this, okay? Because it's very flowy, just visible. You can't do anything about it. Also because her face shape now.